This cultural troupe has come from Tening village, 50 kilometers from Perintau. The gist of what they sing and dance, also like the earlier performance, is based on the movement of birds and of butterflies. The land of Liang Mai is overlooked by mountains and green valleys, which attracts the youth with their colorful traditional attires to dance like butterflies in the Barak River, and the birds hear the hawks encircling the sky, inviting the neighboring villages to come and witness their beautiful dance. This cultural troupe beckons to all. At the moment depicts the butterflies dance in the Barak Inbuiki River before changing their form. The butterflies changing their form at the beginning of cultivation.